Good morning everybody. It is currently day 3 of our 16-day America travel, and today we are going to Disney World and I'm really freaking excited. As you can see, I'm wearing a Just Sander shirt which we made the last day before we left. So now when people see me vlogging, they know where to find me and maybe where to find themselves if they are on the screen. So it's a bit of a rainy day today. I don't know if you can see. No, not really. It just looks like a fine day for you, but it's raining. But it's still really freaking warm. But yeah, we're going to freaking Disney World. And I'm so excited. So yeah, I'll see you when we're there. So we just took the tram from the parking lot to the park, and now we just have to go in and enjoy our day. So I'll see you when we're inside. So we are inside and now it's time to take the monorail onto the park, because we're still not in the park yet. We have been through like 3 gates and stuff, but we're still not inside. So now we're taking the monorail and then we should be in the park. So I'll see you there. So we're now officially in Disney, and as you can see, there's Pluto already. It's just a madhouse over here. There's so many people and so many buildings to look at. But yeah, we're officially inside, so let's enjoy our day. I know that we're emulating like a rainforest, but this is what you call dedication. It's actually pouring with rain. So we are gonna go in the Splash Mountain right now, since we're already wet in the rain. It doesn't really matter, but I'm just gonna quickly switch to my GoPro to save this camera, because this camera is not really water resistant. So I'll see you with the GoPro. So that was our little Splash Mountain adventure. I got the full hit in the face, but that's okay. So we're now on to get our fast pass, since that might be handy because it's pretty busy. So then we can do the most attractions in the shortest amount of time, to hopefully do all of them within today. So I'll see you when we get the fast pass. So we were on our way to get the fast pass, but we kind of got distracted on the way. So now we're gonna do the Thunder Mountain first, and then we're gonna go get our fast pass. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. Caribbean because we had to be there at 1:05, so within like 5 minutes. So we now have our fast pass, but we also immediately went into the Pirates of the Caribbean attraction, since the fast pass let us in early. We had like 5 minutes to get there. But now we have a fast pass, and I'm just gonna keep swapping to the GoPro because it's more rain and damage resistance, since it's still raining. And if I drop it or in an attraction it's a bit rough, the GoPro will be better handling it than this camera. So I'm sorry if the quality is a bit worse than this, but it's to save this camera. So you'll just have to deal with the GoPro footage then. So here's the map, and we kind of cleared out this whole area, which is the adventure area. We're now heading back to the castle, which you can see over there. And then we are going to either this area, or the main area. But I think we're going up to the Liberty Square. This wall just opened. What is going on?
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Now, as they say, look alive.
The wall just opened again. Why do they keep doing that to us?
Stay together, please.
There's no turning back now. We must get in.
Watch your step.
That's okay, I tried my best to record everything, so I'll see what is usable from it. So now we are going to head on to the Seven Dwarfs mine carts, which we came there earlier today, except then it had some technical difficulties, but right now it's back online, so we're just gonna ride it right now. So the Seven Dwarfs had a 3-hour waiting line, so we ain't gonna wait for that. So instead we're just going to It's a Small World. Yes, we're really going there. I'm sorry in advance. I get to ride with
And please watch your children. Thank you. dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you. Por favor, permanezca sentado hasta que el bote se detenga un minuto y se le pida.
Oh yeah.
Everybody look left. Everybody look right. Everywhere you look at, stand in the spotlight.
Where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
So that was the Mickey Mouse musical 4D experience, which was really cool. And now we're going on to the Peter Pan flight because it's starting to rain and the line is looking to be shorter. So yeah, we're just going here right now. Now it's time for a real Disney dinner. So we just had dinner at the Starlight Cosmic Race Cafe, as you can see right there. And now it's time to head on to the Buzz Lightyear, where we can put our gaming skills to the test in real life by shooting aliens with laser beams. So yeah, let's go. So I'm going to battle my little brother in this one, so I can't record anything because I have to try my best to beat him. So I will see you at the end of this ride and tell you if I won or not. Probably will win though. My little brother beat me. He almost had like triple my score. I didn't even stand a chance. But in my defense, my gun was... Whoa, wait a second. In my defense, my gun was so rigged. I literally just looked at it straight and it just shot all the way over there. So, yeah. Yes, it did. It was not fair. Mine didn't work for shit. So I only got 14.9 thousand and my little brother had like 43,000 or something. It was really unfair. I want a rematch, but we can't because the line is too long. So now we're just off to Space Mountain, which I also cannot film for you guys, simply because it's such an insane roller coaster that I need both my hands to hold on to the cart and survive myself, so I don't have a hand that I can use to film. So I will see you at the end of Space Mountain and tell you how awesome it was, and then we're just heading on to the fireworks and then back to where we are staying. So I'll see you at Space Mountain. Here we are, Space Mountain, the biggest attraction of Disney World. Hello.
Space Mountain is a thrilling high-speed circular roller coaster type ride that includes sharp turns, sudden drops, and stops.
There we are at Space Mountain, the thing I've been waiting for all day. There's no turning back now. So Space Mountain kind of sucked. It was the same as in Hong Kong, except in Hong Kong you actually had planets you rode around. So in Hong Kong you had the same, except you actually like drove around lighting up planets and stuff. And here it was just a black roller coaster, which, you know, it was fun, but it wasn't as awesome. And then there's Paris, and in Paris there's actually loopings and you're getting launched at the beginning and everything, which also is a lot more insane than this. So it was kind of boring in comparison. So it is the most fun one here, but it's still kind of boring. So that's a bit of a bummer. So right now we're heading on to the castle because it's almost 9 o'clock, and at 9 o'clock the fireworks come out. So of course we want to see the amazing fireworks show. So yeah, that's where we're heading right now. So see you when we're there. So we're there on time, so now we just have to wait for the fireworks to start. As you can see, it's pretty crowded over here. But luckily we find a nice spot in the middle, so let's get the fireworks started.
Boys and girls, dreamers of all ages. In just a few minutes, the Magic Kingdom invites you to enjoy our nighttime spectacular, Happily Ever After.
And they all live happily ever after.
I can see that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. It's just beginning.
So that was an amazing ending to an amazing day. I am absolutely exhausted. So it is time to go back to where we are staying to get some rest, because tomorrow is another busy day at the Disney Animal Kingdom. So I will see you back tomorrow. Bye.